the best way to process and store firewood for an off-grid homestead. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Canadian Dreamer. If you're living off-grid or just love a good wood fire, you know that having a solid supply of firewood is non-negotiable. But are you processing and storing it the right way? Today, I'm going to walk you through the entire process, from selecting the right trees to stacking the perfect wood pile that will last you through the coldest months. First things first, let's talk about choosing your wood. Not all wood is created equal. You want to focus on hardwoods like oak, maple, ash, and hickory. They're dense, burn hotter, and last much longer than softwoods like pine or fir. Softwoods are great for kindling because they light up fast, but for long, sustained heat, hardwood is king. Look for standing dead trees, often called snags. They're already partially seasoned, which gives you a head start on the drying process. Just be extremely careful when felling them. Now for the fun part, processing. Your best friends here are a good chainsaw, a splitting axe or a hydraulic log splitter, and of course, safety gear. Always wear a helmet, eye protection, ear protection, and chaps. No excuses. Once you've felled your tree, you'll buck the logs into manageable rounds, usually around 16 inches long, but measure your stove to be sure. Then it's time to split. Splitting the rounds is crucial. It exposes more surface area to the air, which dramatically speeds up drying time. Even if a round is small enough to fit in your stove, split it anyway. Finally, drying and storing. This is the step that makes or breaks your firewood supply. Freshly cut wood, or green wood, is full of moisture and burns poorly, creating a lot of smoke and creosote buildup in your chimney, which is a fire hazard. You need to season your wood, which just means letting it dry out. The ideal moisture content is below 20%. To get there, stack your split wood off the ground on pallets or runners. Leave space between the rows for air to circulate. Make sure the top is covered to protect it from rain and snow, but keep the sides open to the wind. A simple woodshed with a roof and open sides is perfect. Season your hardwoods for at least a year, or even 2 for dense woods like oak. It takes patience, but when you're warm and cozy in the middle of a blizzard, you'll be so glad you did it right. That's the whole process. It's hard work, but incredibly rewarding. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more homesteading tips. Stay warm out there.